Hello and welcome to Sohini's kitchen. So today's recipe is a delicious cuisine, and that is the American Chinese cuisine, the American Chopsuey. The American Chopsuey is a very crunchy and delicious dish, and to make it we will need the following ingredients. Some Hakka noodles. Now I have used Ching's Hakka noodles. You can use any noodle you like. With the noodles, we will need around 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a teaspoon of salt, some oil and some water. For the vegetables, we will need a cup of finely sliced onions, 1/4 cup of spring onion juliennes and spring onion rounds, a teaspoon of ginger juliennes, a tablespoon of minced garlic, half cup of mixed bell peppers finely sliced. We also need half cup of carrot finely sliced, half cup of cabbage finely sliced, 2 to 3 green chilies slit, and some chopped spring onions for garnishing. For the sauces, we need 1/3 cup of tomato ketchup, 1/4 cup of Szechuan sauce or Szechuan chutney, 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of green chili sauce, and a tablespoon of vinegar. We also need salt, sugar, and some corn flour for thickening the gravy, and oil for cooking. Now turn on the gas and fill a wok with water. Now add some salt to the water and 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the water come to a boil. When you see little bubbles forming, then break the noodles and add them to the water. Now boil the noodles for 7 minutes or as much time as is required to boil the noodles completely. Now when the noodles have boiled very well, then pass the noodles through a strainer and drain the water completely out, and add around 2 tablespoons of oil to the noodles. This will prevent the noodles from sticking to each other. Coat the noodles very well with the oil, and then add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil. Coat the noodles very well with all the ingredients. And now we will move on to the next step. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil is very hot, add the noodles to the oil. The noodles being coated with corn flour will be fried, and it will turn goldenish brown in some time. Then we will pick up the noodles from the oil and let it rest on a plate. Now we will make the gravy. So heat a wok and add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Now I have used canola oil. To that add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Now add the ginger juliennes. Once they turn little goldenish brown in color, add the onions. Saute the onions very well. Then add the mixed bell peppers, the chopped spring onions, the juliennes and the spring onion rounds will be added together. Then we will add the cabbage slices. Mix them well. Now add the carrot juliennes. Now add around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We will also add soy sauce, so you should take care while adding salt. Soy sauce has lots of sodium content in it and is salty in flavor too. Then we will add a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now we will add the vinegar. With the vinegar, we will add a tablespoon of sugar. Sugar and vinegar together gives a wonderful taste. To this, we will add 2 to 3 slit green chilies. Now the sauces. First, we will add 1/3 cup of tomato ketchup. Now I have used the hot and spicy Maggi tomato sauce. Then 1/4 cup of Szechuan chutney or Szechuan sauce. Now around 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have used around 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now add some water and let the ingredients cook for some time. Now once they have started boiling, add some green chili sauce. Now add it as per your requirement of spice level. I have added a teaspoon of green chili sauce. Now add some more water and let the gravy boil for some time. Now take a tablespoon of corn flour and add a few tablespoons of water to it. The consistency should be like this. Now add it to the gravy. This will help thicken the gravy. Mix very well and boil for some time. The gravy for the chopsuey is ready. It looks delicious and tastes awesome as well. The crunchy chopsuey will be topped with this gravy. And when you cut through it, the crunchy sound and the first bite of it makes you fall in love with this dish. This is a delicious dish and a must try for everybody. Do try and let me know how you like it. Like, share and comment if you like my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Follow Sohini's Kitchen on Facebook and Instagram. The link is provided in the description. Thanks for visiting my channel and keep visiting for more recipes.